Hi, would you like to be associated with a company that did this, or this, or this, or this, or this? Surprise, surprise. It's the same company. And the company, it's called King's Developers. Today, we are in the 3rd floor of this building. It's called Eden Garden, Lavington. I'll not show you outside because the building is under construction on the 8th floor. The building contains 2 and 3 bedroom apartments, and the square footage of a 2-bedroom apartment is 1,450 square feet. The square footage of a 3-bedroom apartment is 1,600 square feet. The price of a 2-bedroom apartment starts from 12.5 million Kenya shillings, and the price of a 3-bedroom apartment starts from 16 million Kenya shillings. I think it's a worthy investment if you want to live in Lavington. Before we start the tour, I would like to give credits to the listing agent, Madam Alice Njoki, for giving us this property today for you to see it. The tour of this 2-bedroom apartment starts from the entrance of the 2-bedroom apartment itself. And as you can see, the door have been crafted from hardwood timber. Let's just get inside and see what these people have for us. Wow, from here I can see they have an open floor plan. You have your dining over here. You have your kitchen over here with a laundry room and a pantry. And then you have your living room just on my left. In this dining area, you have a 4-set dining table that can be used for you and your family, or for you and your spouse. It's big enough for 2 people because this is a 2-bedroom apartment area. On my far front, you have the kitchen. But before we get into the kitchen, you have this granite countertop that can be used for your choice, or to pass the food from the kitchen to the dining area, or from the living area to the kitchen, or vice versa. This area over here that is set aside for your fridge, and then you have sockets over here just behind this fridge for your microwave or for your fridge. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Let's continue. On the other side of the kitchen, you have a single sink over here that can be used to wash your dishes, and then you have upwards and downward cabinets to store your utensils. You also have a space over here that can be used for your cooking stove. Just behind me, you have the laundry area over here where you can wash your clothes, and then you can hang them over here to dry. Just next to it, you have the pantry. It's quite a big pantry for your storage. From here, we head to the living room area. This is the living room area, and as you can see, we already have a 5-seater couch, but the space can fit a 7-seater couch comfortably. Over here, you have the TV area, and above it, you have a space that can be used for your meeting. And then, at the corner here, you can just use it maybe for your flowers or for your decorations. The best thing about this 2-bedroom apartment is that you have the access to the corridor from the living room area. And over here, you can get your views to the rest of the estate. From here, we head to the bedrooms. On my right hand side, you have the master bedroom. And on my left hand side, you have the other bedroom. We are going to start with the other bedroom, then we will see the master bedroom. Just follow me. Wow, this is quite a big bedroom. From here, you can see that you have a 5x6 bed over here with side drawers, and then you have a dressing area over here with a small mirror. Just in front of me, you have your closet, and you have this big window over here that brings a lot of light to this bedroom. Just next to me here is the bedroom loo, or the bedroom toilet. In here, you have a closet, a sink, and a rain shower. Let's head to the master bedroom. This is a big master bedroom. From what I can see is that you already have a 6x6 bed over here, and the best thing about it is that you also have a space to put your side drawers. And then you have this plain wall that can be used for your paintings or any other thing that you would want to put in this wall, maybe a TV. This bedroom is complemented by the large amount of light that comes in from this door. The door also acts as the entrance and the exit from the balcony of this master bed. From here you can see you have this small chandelier over here and these two sleeping lamps. Let's head to the walk-in closet. And as you can see, it's quite a big closet for your storage. And then you have your dressing area over here. The final room in this master bedroom is the master bathroom. And it's quite big. You have your rain shower over here. You have a sink and a closet. You also have a space to hang your towel and a space to put your toilet paper. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed that one. If you would like to buy an apartment in this locality, please don't hesitate to call us. This is African Real Estate and my name is Mungai Kihara.